You ever looked at your to-do list and felt like you were staring down a mountain? Or maybe your projects are scattered across different apps, leaving you feeling more confused than organized? Well, I've got a question for you. What if there was a single platform that could handle all of that? A digital workspace where your tasks, projects, and even your team could come together in one place? That's where ClickUp comes in. Now, you might be thinking, ClickUp? Isn't that just another project management tool? And to a certain extent, yes, it is. But it's so much more than that. It's a fully customizable platform that can adapt to any workflow, from the solopreneur to the entire enterprise. Let's break it down. At its core, ClickUp is a task management tool. You can create tasks, assign them to people, set due dates, and add notes and attachments. But what sets ClickUp apart is its flexibility. You can create different views of your tasks, like a list, board, or calendar. This means you can see your work in a way that makes the most sense to you. But wait, there's more. ClickUp isn't just about tasks. It's also about projects. You can group related tasks into projects and create different views for those projects as well. Want to see your project as a Kanban board? No problem. How about a Gantt chart? You got it. ClickUp gives you the freedom to manage your projects the way that works best for you. And let's not forget about the collaboration features. ClickUp makes it easy to work with your team. You can assign tasks, leave comments, and even have real-time conversations right within the app. There's also a feature called Docs that allows you to create shared documents within your projects. This is perfect for things like project briefs, meeting notes, or even just brainstorming ideas. One of the coolest things about ClickUp is its customizability. You can create custom fields, statuses, and workflows to fit your specific needs. Whether you're a designer, developer, or marketer, ClickUp can be tailored to your way of working. Now, I know what you're thinking. With so many features, ClickUp must be complicated to use. But the truth is, it's surprisingly user-friendly. The interface is clean and intuitive, and there are plenty of tutorials and resources available to help you get started. But let's talk about pricing. ClickUp offers a free plan with a decent set of features, which is perfect for individuals or small teams. They also have paid plans for larger teams with additional features like advanced reporting and integrations. So, is ClickUp the perfect tool for you? Well, that depends on your specific needs and preferences. But if you're looking for a versatile, customizable, and user-friendly platform to manage your tasks, projects, and team, ClickUp is definitely worth checking out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.